What's up guys, yesterday was a pretty massive day for the Galaxy S10 leaks. Thanks to two separate reports which revealed official price renders of the both Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. There was, however, no sign of the cheaper Galaxy S10E. But now, thanks once again to the folks over at FinFuture, the first official price renders of the smartphone have been published online. After years of using curved-edge AMOLED panels on its flagship devices, Samsung is returning to its roots with the Galaxy S10e by installing a flat AMOLED alternative. In actual fact, much like the larger Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus, the Galaxy S10e uses an infinity of panel. This means that there is a small cutout in the top right corner that is home to the front-facing camera, thus removing the need for the controversial notches. The display also includes uniform top and side bezels along with a reduced chin. The latter is, however, slightly thicker than the other bezels, unlike its larger siblings and presumably due to cost cut. The Galaxy S10e doesn't include a next-generation ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. It also doesn't include an awkwardly positioned rear one like Samsung's most recent flagships. Instead, the iPhone XR competitor boasts a side-mounted sensor which has been embedded into the power button that sits on the right side of the aluminum frame. Now taking a look at the smartphone's rear design, Samsung has once again opted for a horizontal camera setup as seen on previous Galaxy Note flagships and the other Galaxy S10 models. Unlike the latter though, only two rear cameras are present. The first of these is understood to be a 12-megapixel variable aperture camera. This means impressive low-light photos should be possible. The second, on the other hand, won't be a telephoto alternative which Samsung has used in the past. Instead, this particular device is rumored to include a 16-megapixel sensor coupled with a wide-angle sensor, allowing users to capture much more in their photos. Now let's talk about the announcement, pricing and the release date. Much like its premium siblings, the Galaxy S10e will probably come equipped with the Exynos 9820 in Europe and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 in the US. Corroborating previous rumors, FinFuture claims this will be accompanied by 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. If European consumers wish to get their hands on a device with more RAM or storage, though, it seems they will be out of luck. The only alternative will seemingly be purchasing the regular Galaxy S10 in its 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage configuration, which will reportedly cost €1149 in most European countries, a whopping €400 more than the Galaxy S10e, which is set to retail at €749. As a result of this pricing strategy, the Galaxy S10e with 128 gigs of internal storage will significantly undercut both the 64 gigs and 128 gigs models of the iPhone XR, which retail at €859 and €990 in most European countries. Naturally, as indicated by the pricing of the iPhone XR, the cost of the smartphones in Europe is typically much higher than in the US. As a result of this, the Galaxy S10e will likely retail for $699, still lower than both the 64 gigs and 128 gigs iPhone XR variants, which cost $749 and $799 respectively in the US. Moving on to the topic of the release, the Galaxy S10e is expected to go official on Feb 20th alongside the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. Like these, pre-orders of the model are expected to start at the same day ahead of an eventual launch on March 8th. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.